Rubbing cucumber skin around window frames really works. Like magic, total game changer. Grab 1 cup water, mix with 1 cup vinegar right inside. Vinegar wipes out dirty spots. Toss in cucumber peels plus allspice berries. Allspice packs intense, spicy vibes that refresh your room fast, while totally freaking out creepy crawling. Unwanted bugs, fresh cucumber peels contain natural oils and loaded aroma compounds that instantly freshen up and crush nasty, stinky smells. Slice fresh peels into thin strips. Tuck them right into window crevices. Or wipe every corner spotless. Whip up this ultimate spray. Let it sit a bit, so ingredients fuse together strong. Then blast every frame and tiny crack. This genius hack scares roaches away, blocking them from sneaking inside your house. Nasty roaches will run far away. Period, this punchy scent thoroughly repels and trips them up. Completely spray daily and stop bugs dead cold, keeping your entire place squeaky clean forever. Never toss a broken broom ever again. Try this insane hack and save cash. All right, guys, has this happened to you? My boss, lady wife, clean yard? Snap this brand new broom. Throwing this away gets me grounded. So check out this mind-blowing fix. So you fix it fast and save your marriage and broom. Grab an empty plastic bottle first. Small ones work, or massive soda bottles too. Slice it right near the bottle top. Slice it clean just like this. This top piece saves my life today. Grab that broken handle stick. Jam this cut bottle piece onto the top tip of your handle. Check this out, folks, look. Fits super snug right off the bat. To make sure my wife doesn't yell, drive 1 solid screw inside. Line up your screw real nice. Crank it tight with your screwdriver. Handle part is fully locked. Now grab the broom head part. Saw off this broken plastic stub. Grab a saw blade or whatever tool. Saw that broken piece right down. Make it flat as a pancake. Perfect smooth top just like this. Grab the matching bottle cap now. Place it right here center. She didn't mean to do it honest. Drive 2 screws right through it. 1 for each side, extra safe. And this thing is literally brand new. Looks super clean, guys. 1 screw works if you're lazy. Let's go, guys. 2 screws means 0 dangerous wobble magic. Screw the handle into the cap. Isn't this life hack insane? And boom, perfection right there. Honestly, guys, this feels like 10 times stronger than original. You gotta try this. This bad boy ain't snapping ever again. Trust me. Rock solid, my wife will be proud. Feels indestructible now, mission accomplished. Try this at home right now. Never throw away snapped brooms again. Save your hard-earned dollars easily. Mix toothpaste with Coke. My wife thinks I'm a genius. Totally life-changing, guys. Squeeze toothpaste right into your soda bottle. Just a splash of fizzy cola. Cap it tightly. Shake it up before the boss lady catches us. Pay close attention, folks. This hack saves my marriage. Grab a bowl right now. Gently pour it in. Watch the magical reaction happen right here. Let the fizz settle down first. Pour every single drop in now. Add dish soap from her kitchen. Coconut scented works super well. Any dish soap works great for this trick. Add a few big spoonfuls of soap. More! Perfect. Now stir it up real good right now. Toss in some baking soda. Just 1 scoop does wonders. Dump it in! Stir it again, folks. Finish it off with a glass of water. Tap water is totally fine. Pour it. Give everything a thorough mix. Look, our ultimate potion is done. Let's level this up. Pour it all over. Right into a handy spray bottle. Makes cleaning way easier, trust me. Grab a funnel now. Fill up the bottle without spilling a drop. Screw the top back on. Time for magic, guys. What did we just create here, guys? Ultimate shine hack ever. Homemade metal polisher right here. Wife will be so proud. Restores every burnt aluminum pan back to life. Especially these nasty, gross burnt pans. Check out this terrible greasy pan right here. Full of nasty burnt stains and grime everywhere. Before my wife sees this mess, most people would just toss it. Don't throw it out just yet. Watch this miracle spray save my life today. Spray this crazy potion generously over the entire bottom. Grab a basic kitchen sponge now. No heavy steel wool needed at all, guys. Just scrub gently and watch it work. Look at that grime instantly melt away. Pure perfection, guys. It cuts right through tough grease easily. Leaves a mirror shine wife will love. Rinse it off now. Look at this shiny beauty. Brand new. Wife is happy. Works wonders on dirty stove burners too. Check this. They get super crusty and burnt over time, right? Same exact miracle method applies here. Spray our secret formula all over it. Wipe away with a sponge. See that instant magic? Satisfying, right? Cleaning this used to be nightmare. Hours of scrubbing saved today. This mix makes it effortless. Look at that! Total game changer, folks. Try this hack at home today. Your wife will totally thank you later.